Hello friends, welcome to Ultrapixels. This is a 43-inch LG LED TV. Here the complaint is TV remote is not working properly. While checking, I found that the issue is with this IR sensor module. Here you can see this IR sensor module is damaged due to corrosion. It's look like a water damage. While opening, here you can see the socket is also get separated from this sensor module. You can clearly see the damage in this sensor module. See, it's look like a water damage. So because of this corrosional issue, this sensor module doesn't work and it is causing the problem with the TV remote. So here I am going to install another IR sensor module from a 32-inch LG LED TV. Here you can see these are the IR sensor connections. So now I am going to wire the sockets for the new IR sensor modules as per this connection diagram. So here I am going to install a 32-inch LG LED TV's IR sensor. Here you can see as per the socket connections written on the motherboard. Here I wired the IR LED sensor module from a 32-inch LG LED TV. See, here we bypass the connection. Here you can see this IR sensor is taken from a 32-inch LG LED TV. Here you can see, here all connections are written. Here we connected the IR connection, LED, VCC, ground. So all these four connections are we connected as per as the socket connections written on the motherboard. So now let's turn on the TV and check the remote is working or not. See, now the TV is turned on. So now let's check the picture. Here you can see now the TV is turned on. Now let's check the IR sensor is working or not. Here you can see now the TV remote is working. So the repairing is successful. Now the TV remote is working. So this IR sensor module is working properly. This IR sensor module is taken from another 32-inch LG LED TV. So now the next step is to fit this IR sensor module in this TV. It is the final step. So let's fix it. So finally we fixed the IR sensor module in this TV. Here you can see now everything is fitted properly. So now the TV is repaired successfully. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.